Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to clear your recent activity within Google Drive. If you appreciate a tidy digital environment or want to ensure your latest projects aren't visible to anyone looking over your shoulder, then this walkthrough is for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. If you aren't signed in, log in using your Google credentials to reach your files. Once you have accessed your account, you will see the primary dashboard where all of your documents and folders are displayed. Now, move your cursor to the menu on the left side of the screen. You will find a vertical list of options including My Drive and Shared with Me. One of these categories is labeled Recent. This is the hub where Google Drive tracks every file you have lately accessed, modified, or viewed. Click on this Recent tab to move forward. Once selected, the main window will refresh to provide a chronological list of every file you have interacted with lately. This is where you make your selections. Look through this list and identify the files you want to remove from this view. To do this, simply find the file you want to hide and click it to highlight it. You can also choose multiple files at once if you want to clear several items. Just hold down the Control key if you are using a PC or the Command key if you are on a Mac while clicking the files. With your chosen files selected, it is time to clear them from the list. Look toward the top of your browser window where several menu icons appear. Among these tools, you will see an icon that looks like a trash can. This is the button used for removal. Go ahead and click that trash can icon. It is important to remember that this action will not delete the files permanently from your Google Drive. It simply hides them from the recent activity view. Your documents will remain perfectly safe in their original folders. That is all there is to it. You have successfully cleaned up your activity history. This simple step helps keep your drive organized and free of clutter. Whether you are getting ready for a meeting or just doing some digital maintenance, knowing how to manage this tab is very helpful. Keeping your workspace clean leads to better productivity. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.